Good evening, everyone. So today is 12th June 2026, 7 p.m. And this is our final daily prayer meeting for our spring one lah. So over the past few days, we have completed the development of our Canva prototype of Next Scholar and conduct several rounds of testing and refinement. So today our objective is to confirm that all the Spring One user stories have been completed so that we can ensure we are fully prepared for the Spring Review. And let's begin with the project updates. So Yuli, you can start with your part.
Okay, thank you, Scrum Master. Yesterday I completed the final review of US 101 and US 103. I checked all profile summary uh, and lecture matching to ensure the layout were consistent with the overall prototype design. I also review all navigation link and verify that user can move smoothly between search result and profile page. Today, I continue to work the part that I still left yesterday, which is creating the other two profile summary card for the lecture and focus on preparing for the spring review presentation and making any minor adjustment if feedback is received. Now I will present the work that I complete today. Could you see my screen?
Yes.
So actually for today, I done the part is the this actually yesterday I only have one summary card. Today I add two more summary card and I add the feature that is supervision. The user can choose the supervision, and when you click supervision, and it will display the academic level except like bachelor, master, PhD, and the number of student supervisor of this lecturer, which is 39, and the availability of supervision may be available or not available. So we also link to the other page, like you can go back to the search result page. That's all.
Okay, so do you meet any obstacles?
Oh no, I doesn't meet it.
Excellent. And do you feel that the profile summary and the matching features satisfy the original requirements?
Yes, the required information such as the matching percentage and user detail are clear display in the screen.
I have reviewed those screen yesterday and I'm satisfied with current design. The information is presenting clearly and it's follow the requirements we in discussed in earlier. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And Serena, you can continue now.
Okay, so yesterday I completed the fun testing of US 102. So I reviewed all future screens and verified that the navigation between future selections and search results works correctly. I also improved the visibility of selected features so users can easily identify active options. So today I will focus on preparing demonstration the demonstration screenaries for the sprint review, and I have no blockers.
Okay, good. And do you think that user can understand the filtering process without additional guidance?
Yeah, I think after our recent refinement, the workflow is quite intuitive.
Yeah. Okay, I agree with that because during my review, I was able to understand the filter function without the others' guidance.
Okay, that's good to hear. Thank you. And Yinzen, your update, please.
So for me, yesterday I completed the final review of US 301 and 302. I simplified some tutorial descriptions and improved the oral clarity and also the consistency of the onboarding screens. I've also done the US 302, a feature monitoring feature that I can demo later. I also check all the guidance pop-ups and also the tutorial navigation links. On top of that, I also made the links that can connect between the slides, but just a few of them. And the product is not complete yet. Tomorrow, we will finalize our product and then demo it on our demo and before and during the sprint review. Today, I will focus on making improvements to my tutorial UI and also preparing my presentation for the sprint review and gathering screenshots for the documentation. For me, there are no blockers.
Okay, that's excellent. So, product owner, do you have any feedback regarding the onboarding experience?
Well, I have some review on that. When I test the onboarding flow, I found it's quite easy to follow and the step-by-step approach provide sufficient guidance without overwhelming the user. The tutorial also introduce main feature in logical sequence, but I have a little bit advice just to say that I think you have to shorten the text in the guidance and make it clear because the current view is quite distractive to the user. And that's all my review on that.
Okay, so now everyone has complete their updates. I would like to review our Sprint 1 progress. So the user story completed are US 101, which is the student profile summary in search result, and US 103, which is the make percentage on lecturer profile, both work by developer Tang Yueli, and the US 102 AI matching filter, which is work by developer Serena, and the US 301 interactive tutorial for new users, and 302 feature guidance for unused feature, which is both work by developer Koyenden. And product owner, I want to ask from your perspective, have the sprint objective has achieved?
I think yes, because it already fulfilled with the user story 101 and 102.
Okay, so that's the excellent news. And are there any requirements that you feel should improve in future sprint?
Well, I think in our future sprint, we should more focusing on the expanding functionality and adding more detailed interaction. But however, in the sprint one, the prototype, I think it's successfully meeting our project objective.
Okay, thank you. So before we conclude, let's discuss our sprint review preparation. And for the sprint review, each developer will demonstrate their assigned user story in a demo video.
Okay. I am Yue and I will present the US 101 and US 103.
I'm Yanbin, and I will present the US 102.
My name is Kui Yanzhen, and I will present US 301 and 302.
Okay, so good. And now you all know what to present in the demo video. So please ensure that the camera links are working, the screen are organized, the presentation flow is clear, the screenshot also ready for documentation. And does anyone has any issue before our sprint review?
No issue.
No issue.
No issue.
Okay, so good. So I want to summarize today's meeting. And all Sprint 1 user story has already been completed. And the prototype testing and requirements and refinements also has been completed, and the product owner has already reviewed and accept the current prototype lah. And the team is now ready for our sprint review. And thank you everyone for your hard work throughout the sprint one. And our next event will be our sprint review meeting. Okay, so meeting will stop here.